Observational learning, also known as modeling, is a fundamental component of social cognitive theory developed by Albert Bandura. At its core, observational learning is based on the simple principle that humans learn by watching others. Children naturally learn behaviors, attitudes, and emotional responses by observing their parents and other significant individuals in their lives. According to Bandura, effective observational learning requires four essential components. First, we need attention. We must focus on and notice the behavior being modeled. Second, retention is crucial. We must remember what we observe to reproduce it later. Third, reproduction means having the physical ability to perform the observed behavior. Finally, motivation reinforcement. We need incentives or reasons to demonstrate what we've learned. A practical example of observational learning is in developing healthy eating habits. When children repeatedly watch their parents choose and enjoy vegetables and fruits, they're more likely to adopt these behaviors themselves. In educational settings, observational learning is a powerful tool. Teachers model desired behaviors and skills, peers demonstrate successful approaches, and students learn both academic content and important social skills. Observational learning remains a central concept in social cognitive theory, working alongside other components like self-efficacy and outcome expectations to explain how we learn from our social environment. By understanding the four components of observational learning, attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation, we can design more effective educational and behavioral interventions. Outcome expectations are the anticipated consequences of a behavior. We're more likely to engage in a behavior if we expect positive outcomes. Conversely, negative outcome expectations decrease the likelihood of performing a behavior. In Bandura's social cognitive theory, outcome expectations are a critical component that influences goals and ultimately behavior. These expectations are shaped in two primary ways: through observational learning, watching others' experiences, and through direct personal experiences with the outcomes. For instance, if you expect that exercising will lead to increased energy, better sleep, improved mood, weight management, and reduced health risks, you're more likely to exercise regularly. Outcome expectations play a crucial role in the decision-making process. When deciding whether to adopt a behavior, individuals evaluate and select options based on anticipated outcomes. To summarize, outcome expectations are the anticipated consequences of a behavior. Positive expectations increase the likelihood of performing